Jason with Command Fluid Power. A few weeks ago, I had one of my customers give me a call and say, Jason, we've designed this piece of equipment for a customer and it's got some safety issues. In particular, there's a situation where an employee of theirs could get locked inside a confined space and the machine could come on. What can we do to ensure that employee safety? I consulted with my Pilz rep and we came up with a pretty good solution. And it is this Pilz lock. So it's a standard lock, but wired to it is a safety stop that goes inside your confined space. So if an employee gets locked inside the confined space, all they have to do is hit this button. It acts as an e-stop and it releases the lock so that the employee can get out of the confined space into somewhere safe. If you have a situation like this or any other safety situation that you'd like me and Pilz to take a look at, give me a call, text, or email, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks, and have a great week.